Now let's learn about the razor tool in Adobe Premiere Pro. The razor tool is used to cut clips directly on the timeline. Think of it like using a real blade to slice your clips into separate pieces. Once a clip is cut, each section becomes an independent piece that can be moved, deleted, trimmed, or rearranged. Let's prepare the timeline. I've already marked in and out points in the source monitor. So let's bring a few clips onto the timeline. First, drag the clip in. Then select the next clip and press the comma key to insert it. Repeat the same process for the remaining clips. Once the clips are in the sequence, press the backslash key to fit the entire timeline into view. Now let's perform some edits using the razor tool. Place the playhead at the position where you want to make the first cut. To activate the razor tool, click the blade icon in the toolbar, or simply press the shortcut C on the keyboard. To switch back to the regular selection tool, press V. We can also zoom into the timeline using Ctrl or Command plus to zoom in, and Ctrl or Command minus to zoom out. Press the spacebar to play, or use J, K, and L keys to play backward, pause, or play forward for more precise control, or use playhead. Now I want to cut this section, so press C to activate the razor tool, and click where you want the cut. The clip is now divided into two pieces, and delete the unwanted section. Press A to activate the track select tool, and move the remaining clips to close the gap. Let's play again.
The first thing we check is how active the bees are. All right, let's gently...
Now I need to delete this part as well. Press C, make the cut. Press V and delete the portion. Here you can see that the other clips were also deleted. That's because they were still selected. So let's press Ctrl or Command Z to undo. Now select only this clip and press delete to remove it properly. Great, then press A and move the clips again. Now let's perform a few more cuts.
Let's gently open the eye and take a look.
Let me tell you one more thing, and you notice that when I cut the clip, the audio also gets cut. This happens because video and audio are linked and sync locked. If we disable toggle sync lock and then make a cut, you'll notice that only the video is cut, not the audio. If you want both to be cut together while sync is off, hold Shift while clicking with the razor tool. This cuts both tracks at the same time. Similarly, you can also cut audio only or video only depending on your needs. Now let's create one more scenario with multiple tracks. Let's insert one more clip. If we want to cut across multiple video and audio tracks simultaneously, hold Shift and click with the razor tool. Now all tracks are cut at the same time, which is useful when you want multiple layers to stay in sync. There is also a much faster way to cut clips without switching tools. First, let's perform an undo. Press Ctrl or Command Z to undo the action. To cut at the playhead position on the selected tracks, press Ctrl or Command K. This is one of the fastest and most commonly used cutting shortcuts in Premiere Pro. It allows you to cut without switching tools or using the mouse, which speeds up your editing workflow significantly. Before you use it, make sure the correct tracks are selected. Because Premiere only cuts the tracks that are active or selected, keyboard cutting is what most professional editors use because it keeps your hands on the keyboard and makes your timeline edits much faster. One more useful trick: when we cut and delete sections, sometimes we end up with gaps in the timeline. If we don't want gaps, we can mark an in and out range on the timeline using I
The
and
first thing
O,
we check is how active the bees are open.
and then click the extract button in the program monitor. Let's try that one more time. First, create an in point and an out point on the timeline. Then press this button to perform the extract. Notice that the clips close together automatically without leaving any space. So in the end, it completely depends on you which method you prefer. All methods work, and you can choose the one that fits your workflow. The Razor tool is one of the most essential editing tools in Premiere Pro. It also helps you remove pauses, mistakes, or unwanted portions with precision, which is especially important in dialogue and interview editing. And once you combine razor cuts with track selection, extract edits, and keyboard shortcuts, your editing speed and storytelling rhythm improve dramatically.